Okay, hello.
Hi, how you doing?
Doing pretty good.
Good.
What's your name?
My name is Kevin.
Kevin. And where are you from?
I'm from Phoenix, Arizona.
Okay, nice.
In the United States.
Wow, were you born in Phoenix?
Actually, no. I was actually born in New York because my parents happened to be living in New York at that time. My father was a Major League Baseball player, and the year I was born, 1971, he was playing with the Mets in New York City, and my birthday is in May 25th to be precise, and so my mother happened to be with my father in New York because it was baseball season. So I was actually born in New York, but I grew up in Phoenix. So Phoenix is what I consider to be my hometown.
Wow, that's amazing. Do you remember anything about New York?
Yes, actually I do have a few memories because we spent probably years there. From the time I was born, obviously, until I was about 2.5 or 3 years old, we spent the summers or the baseball seasons in New York. And we rented a condominium on the second floor. And I remember it was right across the street from LaGuardia Airport. And so, of course, when I was a little kid, 1 and 2 years old, I used to love sitting by the kitchen windows. And I even remember it was a bay window, the kind where you can roll the window open.
Yeah.
And I used to roll the window open and just watch the airplanes take off and land all day.
Wow.
And
that's cool.
Another memory I have is the couple that lived below us was an elderly couple, and they acted pretty much like our grandparents. So I actually called them Grandma and Grandpa. And Grandma Stevenson used to give me a bath in her kitchen sink because I was so small.
Wow.
That she would actually give me a bath in her kitchen sink, and I remember that as well.
Wow, those are good memories.